Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Thomaston, long distance movers near me. Typically, a long distance relocation exceeds 50 miles from where you start or live at the moment. We're capable of planning and executing your interstate or intrastate long distance relocation without any challenges. Our moving trucks are also efficient and sturdy for long distance trips. They also have enough rooms to carry all of your stuff at once. We keep these trucks in good condition by servicing them regularly and prevent incidents and breakdowns during the move. Our company regards the state and federal authorities highly. Therefore, our drivers obey every traffic regulation these authorities have laid down to enhance safety on the highways during relocations. Our drivers are also licensed to drive across state borders, so you don't need to worry about your possessions getting seized at the border. We also put an insurance policy in place to take care of any accidents that may lead to damages or loss of properties. Thus, we can take full responsibility if anything goes wrong. The majority of local movements take place within a 50-mile radius. Local moving requires more than just a truck and a few boxes. Thomaston, Georgia is usually a busy town, but we are familiar with the area and all of its road systems. Our local movers and drivers guarantee on-time delivery. Our local movers are also quite affordable with an hourly rate between $30 and $40 per hour. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Thomaston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.